Zain, it's such a beautiful morning. Yeah, let's see who reaches the corner first. I bet I can beat you to the end of the street. Oh, you are on. Wow, this is so much fun!
That old house.
He hasn't smiled once. Maybe we should just keep riding.
Slow down, children. The road is slippery.
See, he's already yelling. Let's go. He's so strict. Let's just stay away from his house.
Maybe he's fixing the house.
But he never talks to anyone.
Sometimes quiet people simply enjoy their peace.
Or maybe he just doesn't like kids. Why does he always keep that gate closed?
And why is he always working with those noisy tools?
My kite! Don't go in there. We have to get it.
Please stay outside the fence.
We're sorry. We'll leave. He's the strictest neighbor ever.
Maybe there was a reason. Maybe there was a reason.
He wouldn't even let us get the kite.
Did he actually do anything mean? Remember, every person has a story.
I don't think so. Hurry!
Wait, do you hear that? Someone needs help. Should we check?
Should we check?
Wow, look at all these toys. They're all handmade. Is anyone there?
Did you hear that?
Someone's inside. Sir, are you hurt?
I slipped. I twisted my ankle.
Don't move, we'll help you. I'll call Mom and Dad right now.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Here's some ice for your ankle.
Thank you. That feels much better.
The doctor is on the way. Just try to rest.
I appreciate all of your help.
Wow. Did you really make all of these?
Every single one. They aren't for selling.
Really?
Every month I donate them to children in the hospital.
You made all these for sick kids?
Their smiles are worth every hour.
Why didn't you let us into the backyard?
Where's into the backyard?
We thought you didn't like children.
I know.
We're sorry we judged you.
Sometimes we don't know someone's story. I'm building large wooden sculptures.
Wow.
Heavy pieces sometimes fall while I work.
That could be really dangerous.
You were protecting them.
Children's safety always comes first.
We misunderstood you. Thank you for caring about us.
I'm just happy you're safe.
Good morning, Mr. Rowan.
This is a wonderful surprise.
That's very thoughtful of you.
Thank you.
Can we help paint the toys?
I'd love that.
This is gonna be fun.
Let's make every toy extra colorful.
I couldn't have done this without all of you.
We're happy we could help. Can we come again next weekend?
My workshop is always open for good friends. We brought something special for the children.
Every single toy. We hope they make lots of kids smile.
Welcome. We've been looking forward to seeing you.
It's so pretty. Look, I got an airplane.
I'm so happy they love them.
Their smiles make every hour worthwhile.
I never imagined this was what you were working on.
We judged you before we knew you.
It happens sometimes. The important thing is that you were willing to understand.
What's important is being willing to learn the truth.
Thank you for teaching us that.
Kindness always begins with understanding.
Standing.
And understanding begins with listening.
I'm really glad we got to know you. You're one of our favorite neighbors now.
And I'm lucky to have such wonderful friends. Sometimes the quietest people are carrying the biggest hearts. Here, I made this for you. Before judging someone, take time to learn their story.